viewers, I am Dr. Priyanka from Sakhi Mindcare, and I am coming to this time's question, which is a very relevant question that has been asked. And what is asked is that what happens if a mental illness remains untreated for a long time? Well, this illness, like often most of the illnesses, if remain untreated, first of all, there is a significant level of disability which can happen. And in illnesses like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder or any major psychosis, they can significantly, the disability that results due to them is quite noticeable. Okay, the first thing that's affected is the quality of life. So by quality of life, I mean that the person is not able to carry out his or her activities of daily living like grooming, cooking, getting ready for office. Everything, every small thing suffers, and it just shows the person will not keep herself tidy, not maintain herself. These are simple things which will be changing if the illness is untreated for a long time. Then the next thing is that there is, we call it cognitive decline. That is, the person, his intellect suffers. So at work maybe, or even at home, the person will start making mistakes, or he or she will not be able to have a good attention span or concentration. So it will affect his occupation as well. Or if it's a student, of course, it will affect the scholastic performance as well. Right. Then in the social life as well, there is the person is not as sociable as before. That is, say if there are visitors at home, the person will not be really presentable, or the way the etiquettes have to be followed, it will not be followed. Or even the person will not like to socialize unlike before his nature. So the social behavior will change a lot unlike the person's usual behavior. And of course, a very important thing that will happen is that the personal goals of the person, that they will be compromised. As in, like if I had a dream for a particular thing, the person will not really work on that ambition. So that's quite a change that's noticed. And lack of motivation. And there are certain illnesses like schizophrenia wherein if they are long standing and untreated, the people develop secondary illnesses like they start suffering from addictive disorders like resorting to tobacco or alcohol. It's quite disturbing to see that. Right? And of course, if there is a delayed treatment, whenever the person seeks treatment next, he or she may require greater number of medicines. So there will be more side effects due to it. The period of recovery will be, as in the person will take longer time to recover from the illness. And of course, the residual disability which remains, that is, the illness may not be completely cured, some disability will remain, which will be of course greater. And in doing all this, a lot of resources will be unnecessarily wasted. So we see how much of loss happens, if a mental illness is not treated in time. Thank you very much.